Introducing the Ketchan automatic induction heat treatment line, specifically designed for gears and sprockets. This cutting-edge system fully automates the entire heat treatment process, from gear delivery to precise induction hardening. With fully integrated automation, we ensure enhanced efficiency and precision, reducing downtime and increasing throughput. Our advanced induction hardening technology directly applies heat to the workpiece, ensuring even, rapid heating with minimal distortion. The result? High-quality, durable gears with superior hardness and wear resistance, ready for demanding applications. Ketchan's system stands out for its precise temperature control and energy efficiency, making it the perfect solution for industries that require reliable, high-performance parts. Whether you're in automotive, industrial machinery, or robotics, our induction heat treatment line guarantees optimal results every time. Please feel free to contact Ketchan or visit our website for a customized induction heat treatment assessment.